Hello guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. I got some smushies. Are they called smushmallows? Nah. Smushies. Smushed elephant. And comment down below which one is your favorite, please. And let's call this one White Elephant. This one is one of my favorites in the maybe. This is the maybe pile. And I'm putting it in piles, just so you know. Yeah. This one is maybe like called Blue Hedgehog, and this goes in my cute pile. Where should my cute pile be? My cute pile will be in here. So I get each room. One of my favorites, yeah. Yellow cat right now. And this one, no, maybe. Let's call it Orange Hamster for now. And then maybe pile. Green let's call it green squid for now. The no pile would be just on the edge of the table. By the way, that's my dad. My dad. Say hi. He said hi, kinda. No pile? No. Green, and I meant purple hippo. I just said it right. Pink deer. Maybe. In the maybe pile. So this is, I got 3 maybes and 2 yeses, well, favorites. Okay. And 2 no's. Okay. One side would be that, then across. Okay, so there's one side is the yes pile, the other side is the hate pile. Then I put the maybes across. So yeah. I will show you when I'm done. Just need to add the split. This is what it looks like. So this is let me think. These 2 are the yeses. These 2 are the no's. These 2 are the maybes. I tried my best. My dad is making tacos. It smells good. My dad. Okay, remember to like and subscribe. And let me think. Oh, and remember to comment your favorite smushies. So, bye.